And now it is my great pleasure to introduce the senator from California, Barbara Boxer.
Thank you so much. Well, the fight goes on, and I'm so proud to be here with my colleagues from the House. And I did serve in the House for 10 years, so I have a little spot there that's, it warms my heart to see Congresswomen here. And I just want to give a shout out to my Senate friends, Tammy Baldwin, who's helping us make history every day. And I do want to say about Senator Blumenthal, how wonderful is it to have a man stand side by side with the women of the Senate. And Senator, you know, I've told you this many times, it's not just when we're in front of, trust me, it's not just when we're in front of the cameras and the microphones. He's there with us, strategizing, standing with us. It is just wonderful. And so I'm so proud to be on his bill. And, you know, we're basically saying today that we're gonna stand up to these dangerous laws that are harming women across the country. 92 of them, which it felt like even more. But these laws are vicious. They're vicious. They're hurtful. They're harmful. And we are saying today, enough is enough, and we're going to stand sentry. You know, Richard is such a good lawyer, and I'm not a lawyer, but my husband's a lawyer, my father was a lawyer, my son's a lawyer, so I have, by osmosis, a little bit. And what we really do in this bill is we codify Roe v. Wade and all the other decisions that have been made so that we don't have to fight these battles state by state by state by state. It becomes very, very difficult. In states like Kansas, Missouri, and the Carolinas, we've seen absurd requirements. For example, building requirements for clinics only have one goal. You know, you have to have a hall this wide, you have to have so many doors. This is just meant to put costs on the backs of these clinics, these women's clinics, and they want to shut them down, and they're shutting them down. And that's why we're here today. They want to shut doctors down. Doctors are in danger. And in addition, they're trying to shut them down. So we've seen disgraceful ultrasound laws. We've seen extreme abortion bans. And frankly, it's not just in the states. The other day, one of our Republican friends said that he has introduced a bill that would outlaw ban abortions pre-viability, and it's outrageous, and it puts women in extreme danger, extreme danger. So this Women's Health Protection Act is a perfect name for this bill. We need to protect women from politicians who play with their lives. Our bill protects millions of women, regardless of the state, regardless of who their governor is, or, you know, again, as Tammy Baldwin said, when we make personal decisions, we want to make them with our family and with our God. It's our choice. And no politician has a right to be anywhere near that room. And we have to trust women once again. And that's what this bill is about. So, frankly, to me, this is a no-brainer. I've been fighting this battle for so long. I thought it was finished when the court decided Roe, but we've learned something about our country, that the arc bends in the right direction, the arc of history, but we got to bend it to make sure, because otherwise it may bend in the wrong direction. And we're here today to say, no way. We're going to work together, we're going to fight together, and we're going to protect the women of America. Thank you, Richard. Thank you, Tammy.